You're going to need 2 bottles of 7590, an e-torque socket, a 14 mil hex, a 17 mil socket, a screwdriver, and a transfer pump for the differential fluid of your choice. Jack up the car to get enough space underneath that puppy. Look at that sweet, sweet exhaust, man. I don't even think that is JDM, man. Shit's a BMW too. What the Get that 12mm Torx and take off that paper weight of a dampener. That is how it feels to take a dump. Now we gotta take off this sensor. Just push the clip in with a screwdriver and pull out like I did to your, Yeah, buddy. Now slide a drip pan under. You gotta loosen the fill bolt with the 14 mil hex first to make sure you can actually fill in some fluid. Then you can use the 17 mil deep socket of pleasure to take off the drain bolt. Just like that. Let her just gush out. Reminds me of a time when your mom... And that's the sensor. Remember to take off the fill plug to let it all come out. Lower the car to make sure all the evidence is drained out. Put back the sensor using that 17 mil deep socket of pleasure and torque to 10 foot-pounds. Then take your differential fluid and set up the transfer pump and fill until that fluid oozes out. Looks like he done finished. Take that 14 mil hex and torque the filler bolt to 44 foot-pounds. Plug back in that sensor and bolt in that BMW paperweight, and that is how you fill her up from behind.